Kelsey here. So today I filmed this quick makeup tutorial for you guys, and I've been inspired by neon lately because obviously it's in now, and I've been buying a lot of neon clothing, and I just decided to do a neon makeup tutorial, and I wanted to make it super simple and easy for you guys. I thought this would be perfect for like a summer night out, especially if you're out of town in like Miami or the Bahamas or something. This is like really pretty vacation makeup, like if you're going out to a club, if you're going out to a lounge or to dinner. I thought this would be super cute. It's so simple, and I used the Huda Beauty neon palette. Can we just talk about this packaging? Like when I first opened the PR package, I was like, the lime green one is the one I'm gonna be trying out. Because you guys know, well, I don't know if you guys know, but lime green is like my favorite color. It's been my favorite color since I was like 8. So I'm obsessed with lime green. I always have been. I'm just glad that the world finally caught on. So yeah, this is the palette that I used. I only used one color on my lid and then another color on my inner tear duct. So it's super easy. I only used 2 colors. So anybody can pretty much do it. The hardest part about this look is the winged eyeliner. But I feel like if you're not super experienced with liquid liner, then you can try using a black eyeshadow with an angled brush, or you can do gel eyeliner. Because when I first started doing wings, gel liner was a lot easier than liquid liner, but I've been doing wing liner for a while now, so liquid liner it is. Okay, so I'm gonna stop rambling now. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. By the way, this is a voiceover. I haven't done one of those in a while, but I couldn't really do a talk through because I'm about to leave the house in like 30 minutes, so I couldn't like sit down and do like a talk through with you guys, because I feel like when I do talk throughs, I have more time, and I don't have that much time today. I think that's all I want to tell y'all because I gotta go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this simple summer neon eye look, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay guys, so I'm starting out with my primer and foundation already applied, and I just used the Makeup Forever mattifying base, and I used the Nars Natural Radiant foundation in the color Dark 2 New Caledonia, and here I'm just priming my eyelids with some MAC Paint Pot, just because we're using a bright color today, so you want to make sure that it shows up. And we're going to be using the Huda Beauty palette in Neon Obsessions, and we're going to be doing the green one, of course, because like I told y'all at the beginning of the video, I'm obsessed with lime green, and I'm going in with the matte lime green color in the bottom corner, and I'm just going to pack that all over my lid, and I'm just using an old e.l.f. brush. I honestly forgot the name because as you can see, it's like wiped all the way off. Like this brush is falling apart because I've had it so long. But if you just use like a really nice fat dense brush to pack it on there, you're good to go. And here I'm just taking a ColourPop blending brush and blending out the edges. And now I'm just going to go in with my concealer, and I'm using my Cover FX Powerplay concealer, of course, and I use 2 different ones. I use the Deep 2 as well as Deep 3, but I'm going in with Deep 3 first and applying it all the places that I want highlighted. And here I'm going in with Deep 2 over top of Deep 3 just to add a little more brightness in those areas. And I'm just going to blend it out with my Beauty Blender. And here I'm just going in with a little bit more of Deep 2 just to brighten the center of my face a little bit more. By the way, if you see me talking, like my mouth moving, I was not talking to myself, I was on the phone. So yeah, so I'm adding just a little bit more of Deep 2 to the center of my face. And here I'm just setting it with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in Deep. So the darker powder in the translucent one, I'm using that one. Okay, so I left a little bit of the translucent powder in the areas that I get a little bit more oily, and while I do that, I'm just going to apply the exact same color to my lower lash line that is on my lid. So the same neon lime green color, of course, and I'm just going to apply some liquid liner. I'm going to do a soft wing just because I don't want to take the attention away from the eyeshadow, even though that would be kind of hard to do in this case because it's neon green. So. And then I'm going to apply some glue to my lashes. I have no clue what lashes these are. They were just sitting on my vanity, so I forgot which ones they were, but a nice soft lash will do for this look. And as you can see, I'm just applying some mascara and moving on to bronzer. I'm obsessed with this new bronzer duo. This is the Bronzer by Morphe. I forgot the name right now, but I'll have everything listed in the description box. And I've really been liking this. I got it at Ulta and it's pretty bomb. And I'm just gonna follow that with a Morphe highlighter, and this is in the color Mirage, I think. And I also got it from Ulta. It's like a really pretty bronze tone, and it's perfect for deeper skin tones. And I'm just going to pop that on the high points of my cheekbones. And I'm also gonna apply a little bit to the tip of my nose. So I really, really like this highlighter. It's super, super soft. It's not chunky, so I like it a lot. While I let my other lash dry, I'm just going in my inner tear duct with the shimmery lime green color in the palette, and it was directly next to the matte lime green shade that is on my lid and my lower lash line. So I just thought it finished the look really nicely. And of course, finish off the top lashes with the same mascara. By the way, this mascara is by ColourPop. So I'm going to be using 3 different lip shades, and the first thing I'm going to be applying, of course, is a brown lip pencil, and this is just the Kylie Cosmetics one in True Brown K, and I'm going to top that off with the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Spice Girl. It's a really, really nice color. I applied a little bit too much, so if you ever apply too much liquid lipstick, just tap out the excess with your finger, and it'll blend in really nicely with the lip pencil, and that way you don't have to apply more of the lip pencil over top of your liquid liner. So not liquid liner, over your liquid lipstick. So that helps me out a lot. And in the middle, I'm just going to be using my favorite L'Oreal liquid lipstick in the color Fighter. I think it's 425, so this color is bomb. And here I'm just blending out a little bit more of the bottom because I had kind of a harsh line. And that pretty much completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was pretty simple for you to follow. And let me know if you guys try it out, if you're going to be going on vacation soon, or sorry, if you've already gone on vacation, you can still use it for a night out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys next time.